Welcome. To get started, type your car model and pick an option from the available results. You can also search for dimension. Choose rims, tires or both. Pick staggered option if your car is capable of this. See our recommended packages and why we recommend this, or click on See all available products. When you find the rims you would like to purchase, click on Select Wheel and go to Selection of Tires. You can choose tires by using the left or right arrows. When you find the tires you would like to purchase, click on Select Tire and see Offer. This is the final step of your order. On this step you can change quantity, accessories, services and choose payment options. Fill in the form on the bottom of the page and press the green button. Our customer service will contact you shortly. Thank you for watching.